So today I will be sharing with you the ideas of something we have never thought of, waves. Now you might be wondering what are waves? And the first thing when you hear about waves are water waves. So when we think of water waves, we think about the tidal waves that goes like this, the rippling waves that goes around like this when you throw in a rock? Does it not? Yes, it does. But have you ever noticed that these tidal waves happen in seas or oceans? And these waves happen in ponds or rivers. Now, the answer is simple because the waves in the water have a more vast area to be spread on than in ponds and rivers. Now, what can exactly these water waves could be? You might be wondering. These waves are eventually called transverse waves. So, what are transverse waves? As you can see, I have written or drawn, to be more accurate, these three precise, not quite precise, wave-like structure. These are water molecules. So as you guys can see, this part and this part has a remotely similar movement. So from here, this is called a crest, this is called a trough. So here it's also a crest, a trough, a crest, a trough. Now, the direction is the water waves, the direction of the water waves are going up and down. More specifically, the molecules of water are going up and down in a horizontal direction of propagation of wavelength, you may say. To be precise, this is the direction of the wave propagation, which is forward. And from here, you see, in each part, the wave particles, the water particles are going up and down, up and down, up and down. Now, these are called transverse waves. So, what are transverse waves? Transverse waves are the molecules that moves up and down vertically. As you guys can see, this is a vertical, these are all vertical lines. So they move up and down vertically, the wave moves, and the wave moves forward horizontally by the direction of the wave propagation. Now you may be asking why I have brought up the concept of crests and troughs. Well, you see, the distance between one crest to another is called a wavelength. Then again, from one trough to another it will always and also be a wavelength. Now you might be asking if from a crest to trough is a wavelength. No, it is not. It is half a wavelength. From this crest to this trough, it will be half a wavelength because it is taking half of its size to become from a crest to a trough. To become another crest, there has to be a full on turn to be one wavelength. Now, the wavelengths are denoted as lambda. This is a lambda sign, and wavelengths are known as this lambda. Now, any wave can be characterized by its frequency, denoted as small f, and its unit is in hertz. We call it as Hz. As you can see here, everything. Yeah. So, so in total, wavelength is also denoted by meter per second, is denoted as f lambda. This is also a mechanical wave. As you can see here, it is a mechanical wave or mechanical waves. Why is it a mechanical wave? Because it needs a certain force over it or a certain action to be over it for these kind of waves. So it is a mechanical wave. Now let's come to sound waves. What are sound waves? Now, as we know, sound waves first come in as this. This is the point of origin. Then it spreads out, then it spreads out, then it spreads out, then it spreads out. There's a point of time where it is barely a curved line. It looks more straight. The more it is straight, the more you will know it has faded in. Now, sound waves are also mechanical waves because if I wasn't talking right now, you wouldn't be hearing vibration of particles from the air where it creates a sound till your ears. Now, this one is a bit different than the transverse waves. These are called longitudinal waves. Why is it called the longitudinal waves? It is because the vibration of the particle is parallel to the direction of the wave propagation. So if the direction of the wave propagation is like this, here are the sound particles and this is how they are vibrating. Okay, so that is all for today. Rewatch this video for more understanding and thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.